Tips and tricks to sleep better. Your sleep hygiene is important in enabling your body to reset itself to be ready for another day. There are plenty of things we can do to promote better quality sleep, like eating a wide variety of healthful foods, getting in some daily movement and managing stress. Here are some other tips to help you sleep better. Follow a sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. This will help train your body to know that it's time to rest, so you can get to sleep easier. Limit your use of electronics for at least 1 hour before bedtime. The blue light emitted from our cell phones actually sends signals to our brains that it's still daytime, making it harder for us to shut off when it's time for sleep. Give yourself time before bed to relax and unwind. Consider writing in a journal or taking down some notes for your next day's to-do list. Anything that will help quiet your mind. A snack before bedtime is okay. You may have heard that you need to cut off all eating a few hours before bedtime, but this isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Some of us benefit from having a bit of food in our stomach to help us fall asleep. The keyword is small, though, as eating a heavy meal right before bedtime makes your digestive system work overtime and can actually hinder your sleep. Go easy on the alcohol. Alcohol affects the production of sleep-inducing chemicals in the brain and can block REM sleep, the deep, restorative type of sleep. Include relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques are helpful for managing stress and promoting deep, restful sleep. Relax before bed with a warm bath, deep breathing, meditation, gentle stretching or yoga. Getting enough quality sleep each night allows our bodies to reset themselves both physically and emotionally so that we can be ready for a new day ahead. Refer back to the list above whenever you need to check in on your sleep routine. What are you doing to promote better sleep tonight?